Hello, my dear friends. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to make a beautiful balloon garland. Inflate for 12-inch grey balloons with a diameter of 28 centimeters. To make it easier for me to calibrate the balloons, I cut to circles of the desired diameter inside a piece of foam board. Make a cluster of 4 balloons, as shown in the video. Make 3 identical clusters. Now, inflate 3 12-inch pastel balloons with a diameter of 20 centimeters and 1 12-inch grey balloon with a diameter of 20 centimeters. Then make a cluster of balloons, as shown in the video. You should end up with 2 clusters with 1 grey balloon, and 4 clusters without grey balloon. The diameter of all the balloons in these 6 clusters is 20 centimeters. I poured water into 1 grey balloon, which will serve as a weight for the base of the garland. Tie the water balloon to the first grey cluster. Now tie the ribbon as shown in the video. Put on next cluster and fix it with the ribbon. Please take a look. I've placed the next cluster with a slight offset. Thus, the pastel-coloured balloons are located between the grey balloons. Then I put on a cluster with a grey balloon and fix it. Then put on the cluster with pastel balloons. And you will see the flower inside the garland. Put on the cluster with grey balloons and fix it. Then I repeat the pattern as I add each subsequent cluster. Notice how I fix the clusters by tying each subsequent cluster to the previous one. It turned out to be a very beautiful flower garland of balloons. You can experiment with the colors. Share your ideas with me. Thank you for watching us.